Python, developed by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, has become one of the most popular programming languages globally. Its simplicity, readability, and versatility make it a favorite among developers. Initially conceived as a successor to the ABC language, Python was designed to be intuitive for beginners while powerful enough for advanced tasks. The release of Python 2.0 in 2000 introduced garbage collection and Unicode support. Python 3.0, released in 2008, addressed fundamental design flaws and added modern features, leading to widespread adoption and migration from Python 2. In web development, frameworks like Django and Flask power robust web applications, making Python a go-to choice for developers. For data science, libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib facilitate data analysis, manipulation, and visualization, driving insights and innovation. In machine learning and AI, tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn enable the development of sophisticated models and applications. Python is extensively used for scripting, task automation, and system administration, streamlining workflows. In scientific computing, Python is preferred for simulations, computational biology, and physics, thanks to its powerful libraries. From web development to scientific computing, Python's versatility and ease of use continue to drive its popularity and evolution.